pasting. Okay, we know how to do copy and paste in MS Word, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now let's do it in Excel. See, it's very easy. So for doing any kind of copy paste, what we need to do is, first of all, we need to select it. So select the cells, click on copy, and wherever you want to paste it, just click on the paste. Okay, this is a simple thing that we always used to do, correct? Right.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
in
sir.
Excel, we do have some paste specials. Okay. And what are the special? We will see those things today. So now let us see. Okay, Pooja Kumar is joining. So Niharika. So first select it, copy it, and rather than directly pasting it, what we need to do is click on this paste special. Could you see this small arrow here? Wait,
Yes, sir.
again, I always forget. Okay, so I hope you could see this arrow here, right? So click on this small arrow, and here you will see so many options. Now it is hard to identify the names. So what we can do, we will click on the paste special option below. Okay, now as soon as you click on that paste special, you will get this dialog box. And here you will get so many options. Like if you just want to paste the values, you do not want any kind of formulas, okay, or any kind of formatting, you just need the values. So click on the values and then click OK. See what will happen. It will just paste the values from this cell. Samajh mein aaya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, so when I'll click on copy again, see, I'll write copy. I can do the same thing by clicking on right click. Right click करके भी आपको paste special यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. So click on the paste special, and like if you want to just paste the formats, not the values. So click on the formats and then again click OK. See what will happen. दिख रहा है? All the formatting is here now. So whenever I will write something here to write in white, so whenever I write a number here to convert it into rupees. Okay. And similarly, if I write something here, it will convert it into the dollar. That means the complete formatted is now copied to this particular cells. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, what actually you can do is you can just click on the copy and then go to this paste special, and you can go through all these different options. Okay. Like if you are going to use the formula, then we can, if you want to copy the formula, then click on the formulas only, comments, validations that we are going to learn in the future classes. So आप सारी चीज को कर सकते हो. Like if you want to copy everything but not the borders, see all except borders. So click OK. See now everything is now copied but not the borders. समझ में आया ना what is paste special?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apart from this, see one more example. Now here you could see a table, right? Now what if I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here? What will happen now? Can anybody tell?
No
No,
idea, sir.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
In a simple way, if I paste it, it will just replace the previous values. Okay. Nice. Okay. Shall we move to the next topic then?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now here, what is happening? See, but I do not want to replace it. But now what happened? I just copied it. Sorry, I'll just copy it. And now when I'll paste, it will just replace the previous values. But I do not want to replace the previous values. What I want to add these values to this data. Samajh mein aaya? Like here I want to add 2 with 10, here 20 with 23. Sorry, 20 with 3. Samajh mein aaya na?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, what I will do, see, I'll just copy it, and rather than pasting it directly, I will go to paste special, and here you will get some options like operations. Could you say this? You know,
Yes, sir.
add, and when you will click OK, it will just add the values. Similarly, if you want to do the multiplication, go to the paste special, click on multiply, and click OK. Selected, so we can divide also. Right click, paste special, divide, OK, and subtract also. Paste special, subtract, and click OK. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problem in this? Then you can ask. Naina?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next thing is that, like, if you have created this table and you have taken to this your boss, and your boss said, I do not want table in this format. What I want, I just want you to make the rows into columns and column into rows. Samajh Maya? What I want? Okay, I just want you to replace the rows with columns and columns with the rows. Okay, so what you can do is just copy it, okay, and go to paste special. In this paste special, you will get this transpose option. Could you see this here? Click on this
Yes, sir.
rows and then click OK. So whenever you click OK, it will just do this thing for you. So much Maya.
Yes.
Just make the rows into columns and column into rows. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
These are the things that you can do with your copy and paste. We will see in paste session. We will see in future classes also what is the use of these all things. But still, it is just an introduction. Now, one more basic thing is that, like, if you want to do some copy paste, like I just want to copy this Amitabh name to all this cell. So what I can do actually, rather than copying it and then pasting it, what I can do is I can just select this cell and then यहाँ पे दिख रहा है, could you see this a small green box here in this bottom left corner, bottom right corner?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take your cursor to that green box. When you will take your cursor to that box, the cursor will change. Once the cursor will change, just drag it. Okay, and you will see your data will be copied. So much, Maya?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you drag it to your right, it will just copy everything to the right also. Okay. Now, if you want to remove it, what you can do, just drag in a reverse order. See. So much, Maya?
Yes, sir.
So this is also a thing that we use for copying. Mostly we do this thing in Excel because we do not use copy and then paste. We just use to drag it. Okay. Now,